Okay, thank you so much, Gopinath. I welcome you all for this first ever hybrid meeting to call it. We had few poor souls sitting in the venue and a few other blessed people from your comfort of your home. I wish that we'll have more people joining in the coming days. Let's see this. We'll take away this, hybrid stuff and everything very soon. I would like to declare open meeting number 106 of Meraki. Today, I would like to start with this thought of something called recognition. You know, how recognition has played plenty of improvements for every individual. Even in Toastmasters, we do that often. We don't forget to recognize people who help us throughout it. I would like to take us through a small incident which I read a week before. You know, how it made impact in people's life. You might know this person called Nelson, one of our member from fraternity who was ex Mahendra Satyam employee, and he is a active person in PMPs also. I read one of his posts. This goes this way. He is visiting his dentist close to his house. Luckily, he's staying very close to my place again, Adambakam. So he visited the dentist for a treatment for his wife. So the moment he entered and the treatment started and they were talking, the doctor, the lady dentist was saying, she was recollecting about Nelson and talking so much about, about him remembering everything. And this guy got a little jittery that how can she remember me who took a treatment like 5 years ago? And so many people keep coming in every day in, day out, right? So there is no way she can remember until unless she has some software which installed, let her know about a recap the day before. When he was going through all this in his mind, he was about to ask her, like, how you remember me? Because someone took the treatment 5 years back. The answer the dentist doctor gave was little, very simple, but it made a phenomenal impact on me as well. She says, Nelson, thank you so much for the feedback and appreciation you provided me after your RC treatment we have done about 5 years back. You went ahead and wrote about your feedback in the Google review about our hospital. And I'm not a tech savvy person. My husband was running on one of the evening and coming and saying that, hey, look at this. There was a good review. That is a very few reviews you got it for yourself as a doctor. So that appreciation what he made to the doctor made her remember even after 5 years when he was coming back and doing a treatment for his wife or the same dentist. So friends, this appreciation, whether it is small or big, it has a very long-lasting impact on individuals. As a Toastmasters and as a professionals, we always does this. There are a lot of umpteen examples I would take if I have to pick it from our members. I always wonder how Jayan and his company team gets this opportunity to appreciate even the helping people sitting in their office, individual employees. I see a lot of posts in LinkedIn and in social media also. I'm sure this is something always what you sow, you reap. So appreciation, whether it is monetary or a simple word of appreciation, I would urge all of us to keep doing it because something will come back in a very high way when we are doing it, very small things in our everyday life. With this thought, let me welcome you once again for this meeting number 106 of Meraki, the first ever the hybrid kind of meetings we scheduled it. A big thanks to Gopinath and Shankar for joining us today in our venue. And though the venue has been little curtailed on a corner room for our workshop discussions and everything, but this room is quite big enough to occupy at least close to 25 members, part of our club. It's input to you, who you can go ahead and increase up to 25. We have sufficient space to accommodate them. So today we have one guest with us. Maybe she would be interested to share her expectations one last time as a guest today, because she's expressed her intent to become a member. Today we have an induction also at the end of the meeting. Over to you, Geeta.
Thank you, President Sir DTM Satish. I was part of Mindtree Toastmasters, and I have seen Jayan, DTM Jayan, DTM Vijay coming to our corporate office for sessions. And that time I've been following them. What is Toastmaster? They are doing so different. I was longing to join, but I didn't have an opportunity at that point of time. And I thought I'll use this pandemic situation to join via online. And my expectation is to grow on my communication skills and leadership skills, and mainly on communications, Satish.
Thank you, Geeta. You are not alone. There are umpteen people admired by our stalwarts of Meraki who goes places. You know, they literally go places. This pandemic has put us a whole little. Now they are going virtually. I'm sure very shortly we will have this routine of they are going places. Welcome again, Geeta, for Meraki, the first Advanced Toastmaster Club of Tamil Nadu. Okay, so without much time ahead, I will hand it over to our Toastmaster of the day for today's meeting. So Toastmaster of the day for today's meeting is someone who I see as, if you all remember a few years ago when Suganti was presenting one of her officers training program session, those days there was not much of a restrictions PR manager on the branding, so we can just use anything which comes to our thought process. She posted a picture with a goddess which has about 10-12 hands and legs, and handling multiple things across all the hands. So I just relate it when I think about our Toastmaster of the day, multifaceted person, working professional, proud mom, and a division director and a serving secretary for Meraki. What not, Aarti, I will just sync up with you. Long time no see. We will catch up soon and understand the last few months. Modi for today's meeting. Aarti Mangalam Jairaj, over to you.
Thank you so much.